Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 14T and let me share with you how to enable or disable the OTG connection on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom again to find the OTG option. Let's tap on it, and to turn it on simply tap on the switcher. From now on this option is active. If you want to turn it off, you can either do it manually just by tapping on the switcher again, and right now it is inactive, or simply wait 10 minutes, because this option will be automatically turned off when not in use for 10 minutes, so it's up to you. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.